Welcome to the 20th installment of Quest, Orphic. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. Entrancing, dark, and mysterious, Orphic delivers a powerful collection of presets using the latest Adobe AI technology to help create the dark and moody images you've dreamt of. The three color presets included fade from cool and neutral tonality into bold warmth, giving you a simplistic variety that will translate across your entire body of work. Also included is a one-of-a-kind black and white preset, mirroring the features of its counterparts while providing a uniquely toned aesthetic. Lastly, the AI tools featured with Orphic not only provide transformative lighting, but the ability to add a realistic mist effect to any image. Orphic 1, Smoky Blues with rose-toned skin, a pale atmosphere with deep shadows and muted highlights. The default AI pushes your subject from the background with natural dynamic blending. Orphic 2, a push in warmth delivers rich ochre tones atop the base preset. Orphic 3, a heavy push in warmth delivers gilded bronze tones atop the base preset. Orphic 4, a black and white rendition of the base preset that emphasizes subject isolation while featuring subtle pewter shadows and sandstone highlights. The Orphic profile delivers a simple dynamic fade in contrast, preserving tonality.